my god. Polly, is this instant clear slime? What is up, guys? Welcome back to this Slimeatory! Alright guys, so today I am going to be trying out this slime DIY slime kit, slime thingy, machine thingy, make your own slime thing. Alright guys, so this is like a part 2 because I already did one. I did one where it was like a little thing where you were like, and that was pretty interesting, but I found this one again. Well, I didn't find it again, but I did find this one, and it's like a slime machine. Basically, it's like a little ball though, this one. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's like a little tube cup thing, and then this one you go, and it has a bunch of stuff, and it looks a lot more glittery and prettier than the other one, so I wanted to try it out, so let's see. And then also, I want to try out if we can make some regular slime in it, so yeah, we're gonna do that. So, let's get started. Alrighty guys, so let's go ahead and open this. Ooh, nice opening, you know, that's a point, right? For a non-existent point system. Right. Okay, oh no! There we go, there's the little thing. I think that's it. Ooh, these look really pretty, guys. It seems a bit empty for like the cover. It looks like it has so much stuff, like look at that. But like, it's just this. All right, whatever, we'll see. Okay, we have a cup. Oh, that's the mixing cup thingy. And then here's all the glitter and all the slimes. There's little charms. All right, let's do this. Okay, so let's look at the little instruction. Did I really just say ek instead of in? Outstructions. Oh my god, I'm so hilarious. Oh look, it's a bunch of stickers. That's cool. I like this. I like this. I like this. All right, here are the instructions. Ugh, I don't like the feel of that. So first, you gotta remove the lid from the mixing cup. Okay, I guess we have to put it together first. So 1 second. I like how colorful everything is. Ooh, all right. Alright, so here's all the stuff it came with. It came with like actually a lot of stuff. We just have to take it all out. So let's go ahead and see. It came with all these glitters, and then these are the slime powders, I think. Yeah. We got square iridescent. This is cool. All right. So first we're gonna go ahead and mix. We'll just connect this mixer thingy to this thingy, and then I think we gotta connect this thingy to this thingy, the handle to the whisker. Ta-da! All right, and then we're gonna get the cup, and then you go like that. That looks really cool. I feel like this could be really fun, guys. Look at that. Now, I don't know what this is. Oh, this is for the little glitters. Okay, now I gotta fill up these glitter tubes with these things, which is pretty cool because I always like drop the glitter everywhere whenever I open them. Alrighty, so that's how much it filled up, so, okay. My God! There is a funnel! Wow. This is really hard, guys. All right, let's try this one.
We have a bunch of this one left.
Alrighty, so this is all the glitter I got. There we go, perfect. Okay, next one. All right, you got this one. And I think the third one was supposed to be silver, but I already put the heart, so we're gonna keep that. I have no idea what the heck this is for. Oh,
I know what it's for.
It's for these thingies. We got a little Miss Mermaid that it has an attitude, you can tell. This thing, what is that?
It's a Pikachu unicorn.
No, oh, seriously? It's a pug. Then we got this cat in a tutu. Alrighty, now we put the cups right here, I think. Right. Apparently you're supposed to just put the glitter all over here, but I'm not gonna go ahead. I'm not gonna do that. Oh, that's for the glitter. That's not for the charms. All right, and then this back thing is for all the slime thingy majigger. Ta-da! And then, where do I put this? Alright guys, here is my version. Actually, wait 1 second. There we go. I'm gonna put the glitter. They have glitter piles, so I'm just gonna put the glitter pile in the bag still, so that way it doesn't go everywhere, you know. Here it is! Okay, so now it's time to make the slime, so we're gonna go ahead and get to these instructions. Alright, so it says, remove lid from mixing cup. Ta-da! Can I just remove the whole mixing cup in general? Alright, select your color of slime powder, pour in 1 slime powder pack. Alrighty. I gotta do this blue, guys. It smells like Play-Doh.
I want to smell. I love Play-Doh. Nope, that does not smell like Play-Doh. Oof.
Kinda.
No, it does not.
Now we add a small amount of glitter or confetti as you wish. I wish to put this gold one. Just a drop of gold. That is enough. Add water until it's full to the line. Pour carefully to avoid filling over the line. Use cool tap water. So you gotta go to not just your sink, but you gotta go to a sink that is like hip and has like over 1 million followers on Instagram. That way you can get some cool tap water. Like make sure it is cool. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get some water really quick. Alrighty guys, so I got the powder thingy majigger. So you're supposed to put it in there already and then just start mixing. Uh-oh. Okay. Well, looks like I took too long to stir it. So I'm just gonna use this thingy. I don't know what it's for, but I'm gonna use it to mix. We might need to restart, guys.
Yeah, I think you should restart, Ameerah.
Well, let's see this though. Let's see this. It looks pretty interesting. It's pretty interesting. Look at it. Look, it looks pretty nice. All right, well, it works. That's for sure. All right, well, I'm gonna go ahead and clean this all up, and I am gonna try and redo it. All right, guys, take two. This time I'm gonna be making a purple one. So let's just go ahead and get that.
You never made a blue one.
Yes, I did. Got some scissors. Now we're gonna pour that into there. We're gonna put pink in this one. Oh no. Now we're gonna mix this with this because I feel like it. And then we're gonna go ahead and put the water. And then it says to do it immediately, so we're gonna try and do it immediately. Go, 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 go! All right, it says continue turning the crank to mix quickly for 2 minutes. I'm gonna be here till I die.
75 years later.
So, can anybody guess why I have colors in my hair? Comment down below. Alrighty, so I've been mixing this for a while now. Here's how it is. Now we just gotta go ahead and wait 5 minutes. Alrighty, well it's done. Alright, so let's see this. Let's just scoop. I don't really think I need to scoop it out with a stick, but okay. This is cool. I honestly like this one better than the other one. Wow, like in the ingredients, not ingredients, what was I saying? The quantity of the ingredients, like they put one bag in like, you know, the fill line with water and stuff. They're like the measurements are really good. Like the other one was kind of a bit like hard, I feel like, or a bit dry, but like this one's really nice. Oh look, I got a Pocolo out of it. I like it a lot. I really like this, guys. Okay, I want to do another color and see. Oh wait, we forgot to do this. Okay, they actually gives you some containers, which is pretty cool. All right, so let's go ahead and put that in there. Pretty cool. Doesn't fill it up all the way though. Fills it up a decent amount. Let's get our charms. I want to put this little chimpanzee in here. I'm just kidding. It's cat. And ta-da! Okay, and then you're supposed to put a sticker. So made by Slimeatory. Alrighty. Now we just go ahead and put that right there. And ta-da! Okay, well, I like this a lot. I think it's pretty cool. I like the container and everything, the charm, the little stickers. Well, that didn't break. I really like this, guys. I like this kit a lot. All right, let's try another one and see what happens. Alrighty, guys, I just made this one, and look at that. Look at how satisfying this is. Yes, it's pink and it's like neon. Ooh, I think I put like a little bit more water in this one, and it feels like kind of like softer and like more slimy, and I kind of like it better. I really love the color of this one. This one's really pretty. All right, let's make another one. I kind of want to make one that's like super watery. Not super watery, but just like kind of more watery. You know what I'm saying? Not saying? Okay. Alrighty, we're gonna make green this time. We're gonna try and make it a bit more slimy, watery. Okay. Alrighty, so here is the fill line. Now we're gonna go ahead and add that much more. That was kind of like a lot more, but it's okay. All right, let's mix.
Many hours later.
All right, guys, so here it is. Yay! It worked. Okay, so let's just go ahead and scoop that all up. Oh my God, guys, it worked. It's definitely more slimy. And like it's like stretchier and more like slimy, or I don't know. Like this one, this purple one, which was like perfect, I think, like the measurements and everything. I think it was like, it feels like kind of drier and like kind of thicker. Versus this one is like more like stretchy, and it's just more slimy and just like softer in general. Let's see the crackle-lackles. Nope, no crackle-lackles. All right, guys, so we are all done with this green, and I want to go ahead and start experimenting now. So I want to try and make like regular slime here, but also I want to try and see if we can mix this powder with some clear glue. I'm gonna kind of make the glue a little bit thinner though, but let's see what happens. Maybe it'll be like slimy or something. All right, I'm gonna add the glue first. I'm gonna add like this much glue, and then we're gonna put a little bit of water. Well, just a little water to the fill line. Let's mix that up. Okay, well, I don't know why, but that got foggy. I think it's gonna clear up. But anyways, that's pretty watery, but it's still pretty thick. So now we're gonna go ahead and add the powder. I am excited. I wonder if this is gonna work or how it's gonna turn out, or if we're gonna be left with a complete garbage trash thingy. Okay, so we got that in there. Now we're gonna go ahead and put this thing in, and we gotta mix fast because we don't want it to start clumping up, which I think it's already clumping. Oh no, it's fine. Okay, we gotta just keep mixing. Keep mixing, keep mixing. Oh no, I think it's clumping. No. Uh-oh. Can you not put glue? Oh my God. What the heck? heck? Okay, you know what I think it's going on with this slime? This powder, I think it has like PVA in it and then also borax in it. So you can't mix it with glue. Okay, well that was a complete fail. I'm really sad. Although, I guess we could just start trying to make our slime now. Let me just go ahead and clean this up really quick. There's some activator. I'm gonna try. Let's see if it works. Oh, it worked. Wow. Okay. Okay, let me clean up and we can retry this. Although this slime looks pretty cool. Alrighty guys, so now it's time to try and see if we can make some slime with this. Okay, so first I'm going to try it out by making some jiggly slime because I don't think that it will be strong enough, you know, the little mixer. So we mixed it out. Let's go ahead and put some glitter. I'm gonna put this yellow glitter. Yellow glitter. And then I'm gonna put some of this pink glitter in. I wanna see if we can get like achieve a peachy color. Oh, why did I leave this in here? Oh my god, look how pretty that is. Now we add some activator. And we add this thingy-majigger. And we mix. Wow. Whoa, guys. I think it already like activated. Okay. Oh my god. Do you see that, Paul?
That's amazing.
What? Paul, is this instant clear slime? Do you see this? What the heck happened? Okay, this is crazy, guys. I just made instant freaking clear slime. This machine is awesome. I just made instant clear slime. It needs a little bit of kneading, obviously, but like it's so good already. Maybe I just overactivated it. Okay, well, it's very jiggly, not very stretchy at all, but like, oh my god, guys, we made freaking instant clear slime. Ah! Ow. Let's go ahead and do another experiment because I am so happy that not only worked, but it also made instant clear slime. Oh my god. Anyway, so this time I'm gonna try and make it thicker. Now it is time to make some thick slime. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and fill it up to the fill line. All right, we're gonna put the activator. I think that should be enough. And let's activate. Oh my god, I am excited. More. And voila! Clear slime! Oh my god, did it actually make, okay, no, it didn't really make it. It kind of just mixed it, but it didn't really need it. You not say?
I always nice.
Paul not says, but do you guys not say? That didn't really work, but the jiggly slime really works. So if you guys have this kit, definitely try out the jiggly slime because that was a lit. But seriously, guys, it was lit. It was awesome. It's so freaking clear, and I cannot believe it. Next thing I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm gonna mix this slime with this slime. Oh my god, that's some terrible slime. All right, this is some hard slime. It got a little overactivated. So I'm gonna add some gel, and then we're gonna add this cool slimes. Alrighty, so this is all good now. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and add some of the slime. I don't know if I should add this one, the pink one, or this one. This one's like the driest. I'm just kidding. It's actually really pretty. Like, it looks kind of pearlescent. All right, let's add it. Oh, what the? Okay, this is a very safe slime. It will not ruin anything. Apparently, it doesn't stick. I guess I'm just gonna have to really just squish it into there. God, is it really not staying in? Is it really not gonna mix? Because that would be crazy. All right, I finally mixed it, and it did exactly what I thought it was. It just overactivated. Ka-chow. All right, guys, I hope you liked today's video. Make sure you comment down below if you want me to do a part 2. And I am starting to sound like JoJo. That's it, guys. Thank you so much, and I hope I see you next time. Bye.